Okay, here's a long overdue video that was made aware to me the fact that there's probably not one out there on YouTube land. When a well-known cleaner called me yesterday asking me how to adjust the jets on his Devastator wand. This is the 12-inch Devastator, which I wholeheartedly believe is the best cleaning, less streaking, less pressure affecting wand on the whole market ever been. You have no fiber distortion with this wand due to the placement of the jets on the manifolds and the way Mr. Conway sets up the jets themselves, distance from the vacuum orifice and all that kind of stuff. But anyhow, what you want to do is, you can hear the truck running in the background, run it at your normal operating pressure, which for me out here on the High Chaparral is about 600. Get it spraying, either use a bungee or a hose tie or your helper, and we're going to stack the jets so that the fan does not interfere with the fan or the spray jet next to it. So let me crank this thing on and show you what I mean. So the outer jets, you want to start with either side outer jet and turn it so that it doesn't strike the glide and create this kind of thing. This will create a dribble and splash all over your baseboards and edges and whatnot. So turn it towards the tube to where it stops, and then go to your next jet and make sure it's not striking the fan. Fan the fan like that. See where it's getting white? They're interfering with one another. So turn it again against the tube to where that white goes away. Same thing over here. See how that went away? Nice and white, you're getting interruption. Turn it in a little bit. This is better done with a 1/2 inch open end, but couldn't find mine. But there you go, that's perfection. They're all kind of stacked inwards towards the tube, sort of a flying V, and you end up with a perfect streakless pattern on there. Now if your wand is inherently streaky, like some of them are out there, Mach 12, this probably isn't going to matter. But if you have a Devastator, a Dang, Sapphire, Pro Chem, any of the 4, and the same rule goes for the 6 jets and or 5s. A little more challenging with a 5 with that center jet. And just realize they're going to come loose over time. Your techs and you are going to bang them against things, furniture, junk in your truck, and you're going to have to periodically adjust them. Don't be afraid to put some Teflon tape on there to keep them from spinning or vibrating loose. But that is it. Hopefully that all makes sense. Ask questions below. Subscribe. Get on Mikey'sBoard.com to get the real truth, nothing but the truth. And happy wanding.